after the end of the video. If you think this video is not helpful, dislike this video. But if you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel, because we provide quality content. So let's get started. Hello everyone. There were a lot of candidates who were asking their doubts via comment, so I decided to make a separate video on this to clear all doubts regarding TCS NQT exam and interview. So let's get started. So in this video we will discuss when TCS NQT scorecard will be released, and if you received congratulation mail, so what is the next step. So if you did not receive any mail, so should you wait or you should move on. We will discuss everything. So if you are waiting for interview, if you are waiting for offer letter, how many rounds will be there, what is the document verification, everything we will discuss in this video. So watch full video for better understanding. So first, let me show this screenshot. This is the screenshot. If you remember, 2 days ago I did a survey, okay, on my channel. So there were 24% candidates who got congratulations mail for the interview, but they are waiting for interview, okay. And there are 15% candidates, they did not receive any mail, okay, but they are waiting for interview mail. And there are 7% candidates who received rejection mail, and there are 12% candidates who either received uh, interview mail or either completed interview, okay. And ignore this. So what is a congratulation mail? So let me show the screenshot. So this is the screenshot of the congratulation mail, okay. Here you can see congratulations mail is something like this: TCS Ninja hiring selection interview process. So here they are saying, greetings from TCS, trust you are doing good, congratulations. So this is called congratulations mail. They are saying, we are pleased to inform you that basis on your performance in TCS NQT Ninja hiring, you will be invited for an interview with TCS, okay. So this is the congratulations mail. So if you have received this mail, so you will definitely receive your interview mail, okay. But this process may take time. So either if you may get your interview mail within 1 week, okay. Even if you may get your interview mail within more than one month also, okay, because there are lot of candidates TCS hiring this year, okay. So this process may take time. So please have patience. If you have received this mail, then you will definitely receive interview mail, okay. Don't no need to worry. And this is also a screenshot of congratulations mail. Another candidate also received this mail, okay. So now after that, this is again a mail. This is a mail of TCS NQT interview, okay. So here you can see the timing is 12:45 p.m. to 1 p.m. If you will you will notice that, then you can find the time duration is 15 minutes, okay. So there are two rounds of interview, okay, in TCS. First round will be TR plus MR round, and second round will be HR round, okay. HR round may or may not be on the same day. It depends upon the availability of HR, okay. So TR and TR and MR round, okay. What is TR round? TR round is technical round, MR round is managerial round, okay, or HR round is human resources round. So TR and MR round will be on the same day and same time, and that duration will be of 1 hour, okay. So if the duration is of 1 hour, it means uh, you will have TR and MR round, okay. After that, if you will qualify TR and MR round, then only you will receive HR round, okay. So this is HR round screenshot. So HR round duration will be of 15 minutes, okay. So what will they ask in HR round? So HR round is just a formality, okay. So they will just ask introduction, basic questions like, will you are you willing to relocate, are you willing to work in night shift, okay, like basic questions, okay. And they may ask like questions like name of CEO of TCS, so basic questions regarding TCS, okay. And main important thing, the purpose of HR round is to verify your documents. So after HR round, they will send you a mail, and they will send you a email ID, okay. And they will ask you to send your all documents like 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, and your all SEM mark sheet. If you have till 5th SEM mark sheet, don't worry, upload that, okay. Send those mark sheets on the email ID provided by TCS, okay. So this is the information about TCS interview. After that, So there are I already told you there are two rounds. Okay, you can say three rounds, but first and TR plus MR round will be on together, so you can say a single round. Okay, so this is the update. Now after that, question is, when TCS NQT card will be released? So TCS NQT scorecard will be released most probably in first week of November. Okay, because it may take time. Okay, most probably it may take till first November, first week of November. Okay, and now after that, question is, if you are waiting for interview, so if you have received congratulations mail, then you will definitely receive your interview mail. But if you did not receive any mail yet, okay, so what you should do? So you should wait. Okay, because the last year there are a lot of candidates who got congratulations mail, or you can say interview mail, after 15 days. Okay, so uh, so you should wait. Okay, so until you don't get rejection mail, you should wait, because teachers always send rejection mail. Okay, very few candidates got rejection mail, but if you did not receive rejection mail yet, so it means you have chance, you should wait. Okay, so keep preparing for interview, and if you have received congratulations mail, then you should definitely prepare for interview. Okay, now another question is, if you are waiting for offer letter, so if you have completed TR plus MR round, then you should wait for HR round. But if you have completed HR round, then, and if you have at least 60% in your 10th 12th and in your graduation, then you will definitely receive offer letter. And what is the time period? Within 7 days, or max to max 10 days. Okay, so within 7 to 10 days you will receive your offer letter after completing your HR round. Okay, so HR round, if you have received HR round, it means you are almost placed in TCS. Okay, so this is the update. So I think I have cleared every doubt. uh, yeah, there are many candidates who have received this mail also, like this: uh, your interview has been rescheduled due to unavoidable circumstances. Okay, new interview invite will be shared soon. So what is meaning of this mail? So there are lot of candidates who receive this, so it means your interview will be rescheduled soon. Okay, so if you have received this mail, so your interview next interview mail you will receive within 1 week. Okay, so don't worry, you will definitely receive interview mail if you have received this mail. Okay, so no need to worry. And yeah, there will be two rounds, I already told. Yeah, everything I think I have discussed. Okay, yeah, so still if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box, and you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in the description box. And if you are preparing for TCS interview, okay, then I have already made a video, latest TR plus HR interview questions which are asked this year. Okay, so I'll provide link in the description box, so you can watch that video also. Okay, and let me tell you important topics for TCS interview. So important topics are, first important thing is your resume. Okay, so whatever you have mentioned in your resume, so prepare that. Okay, first important thing. Second important thing is your final year project. If you have started working on final year project, then okay, prepare that. And third important thing is oops concept. Fourth important thing is DBMS concept. Okay, DBMS. Okay, and after that, if you have time, then you should learn the concept of data structure. Okay, so these are the some important topics. If you have time, then you can learn your core subjects, etc. Okay, if you are from non CSE NIT background, then you should prepare, focus on your core branches. Okay, and be ready for to write a code during the interview. Okay, because sometimes they ask to write a code. Okay, to share your screen and write a code, write a program. Okay, in the interview, so please prepare all the basic coding questions. Okay, yeah, so if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.